Okay, you should now be ready to reveal all of that leafy colour. So the first thing we need to do is just to zoom into our picture at 100% so we can really see the detail of the leaves. Now as we're doing this, we're going to actually draw a bit of a path using the leaf colour through the image. So we're going to reveal the colour within this rock in the front, going across here and then over to the left hand side. And we're actually going to leave the leaves on the right hand side, so we've just got a nice pathway going through the picture. So first thing to do, zoom into 100%, and we can do that just going Control or Option plus, just to zoom into the picture. And you can tell when you're at 100% by just looking down in the bottom left hand corner, and you should see what percentage your image is at. If you need to zoom back out again, just go Control minus to zoom out and Control plus just to zoom back in. Now we're going to start down on the bottom right hand corner. Select your brush tool, and we want to make sure we've got a nice soft brush selected, and then we can adjust the size of the brush just by using our left or right bracket tools to make it go bigger or smaller. To move around the image, just hold down your spacebar, and you can just then left click and move around to wherever you need to go. So with all that done and ready, make sure that we've got white as our foreground colour. Find our first leaf, and making sure that we've got our layer mask selected, we can then just start to paint in over those leaves and reveal that colour. So as you see, it's very simple, just paint over each of the leafy areas, and if you get a bit stuck as to what's leaf and what's rock, you can always just hover over the layer mask, hold down shift and left click, and that'll hide the mask, left click again and it'll reveal again. So this will take a little bit of time, and do remember as you're doing this just to keep hiding that mask so you can reveal where the leaves are, and also remember to use the square bracket tools just to increase or decrease the size of the brush. Okay, I'll leave you to get on with that, and in the very last part we'll do a bit of dodge and burn, then we'll add a border just to finish off our picture.